Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're like me, you've probably wasted more time than you'd like to admit wrestling with clamps that slip bind or just don't fit quite right. You want precision, speed, and reliability, especially when you're mid-project, and the last thing you need is a shifting workpiece or a makeshift setup that fails under pressure. Today, we're taking a close look at a tool that's been flying under the radar, but showing up in more professional shops every day. The SKOOL T-Track hold-down clamp kit. Priced at just $12 for a 2-pack, it's easy to overlook. But don't let the modest price fool you. I've been testing these in real-world builds, from cabinetry jigs to custom fixtures, and they've started showing up where I least expected. So, is this budget-friendly clamp kit actually a game changer or just another gimmick? Let's dive in and find out how it holds up. Let me tell you, when it comes to setting up a clean, efficient workspace in the shop, having the right clamping system makes all the difference. And that's exactly where the SKOOL T-Track hold-down clamp kit comes in. I picked up this 2-pack a few weeks ago to integrate into my CNC routing setup, but honestly, its versatility quickly made it a go-to tool across multiple projects. The T-Track design allows for total adjustability, letting you slide the clamp wherever you need it and lock it down securely. What really stands out is how stable it holds material during operation. Whether I'm routing a tricky edge profile or drilling a series of precise holes, the workpiece stays put, and that means safer, cleaner work. At just $12, I wasn't expecting much, but these clamps deliver performance that feels like it should cost twice as much. One of the smartest features of this kit is its multi-position ability. The rocker assembly design allows you to clamp material from different angles and heights, which I've found incredibly useful when working with uneven or layered stock. On a recent project, building a table saw sled, I needed consistent pressure across varying thicknesses of plywood. With a simple tilt of the clamp, I could angle the holding force downward or keep it vertical. No need to switch hardware or improvise with extra spacers. Add in those little rubber feet, and you've got serious grip without marring the surface. That small touch made a noticeable difference, especially when securing delicate hardwoods where scratches are a no-go. I'll be honest, I was initially skeptical about how well these would fit my setup. My table saw has somewhat narrow T-slots, and past clamps I've used either wobbled or didn't seat properly. But the SKOOL kit's narrower flange profile is a game changer. It slides smoothly into the track without binding, yet locks down with impressive rigidity. One small note, the provided bolts didn't quite fit my Delta table saw's slot depth, but that was an easy fix. I swapped in some spare bolts I had lying around the shop, and suddenly everything tightened up perfectly. It's not a flaw with the clamp itself, more a reminder that track dimensions can vary by brand, and having a few metric bolts on hand is never a bad idea. Where this clamp kit really shines is in repetitive cutting tasks. I was building cedar planter boxes last weekend, 7 of them, each requiring 4 identical side panels. Instead of measuring and reclamping every cut, I mounted the T-Track to my miter saw fence and set 2 stop blocks, one for the shorter ends, another for the longer sides. With the clamp securing each stop, I could fly through the cuts knowing every piece came out exactly the same length. That kind of consistency saves time and reduces waste. The ability to remove one stop while maintaining the other setup is something I didn't even realize I needed until I tried it. Now, I can't imagine going back to loose stop blocks that shift mid-run. Now, let's keep it real. No tool is perfect. I did have a moment during a drilling operation where the clamp slipped slightly under high torque. It wasn't catastrophic, but it nudged the workpiece just enough to make me pause and reevaluate my setup. After cleaning the T-Track and ensuring the bolt was fully tightened, the issue didn't happen again. I suspect that initial slip was from a bit of sawdust buildup in the track, a common shop problem, not a design flaw. Still, It's a reminder that while these clamps are strong, you've got to keep your system clean and properly torqued, especially under aggressive machining conditions. Beyond CNC work and saw setups, I've started using these in jigs and specialized fixtures. One of my shop buddies uses a similar clamp system on his metalworking bench, and now I totally get the appeal. Whether I'm holding aluminum stock for tapping or stabilizing a small wood carving blank on a router table, the SKOOL clamp offers flexibility you just don't get with C-clamps or toggle clamps. It's low profile enough to stay out of the way, but strong enough to handle real force. And for under 15 bucks, you're getting a serious upgrade to your work holding ecosystem. I've seen other brands with similar features priced at 2 or 3 times the cost, often with bulkier designs that don't fit as neatly. Overall, I'd say this is one of those quiet hero tools that doesn't get flashy attention but makes your projects run smoother. It's well made, thoughtfully designed, and adaptable across wood, metal, and even odd-sized composite materials. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a small shop builder, adding a few of these to your arsenal means fewer frustrations and more consistency. I've already ordered another 2-pack to set up on my router table. And yeah, like any tool, it has its limits, but at this price, the pros far outweigh the minor quirks. If you're looking to reduce setup time, improve repeatability, and just flat out work smarter, this T-Track clamp kit deserves a spot in your shop. If you're ready to lock in your next project with precision and cut down on setup headaches, the SKOOL T-Track clamp kit is a no-brainer. Don't let loose setups slow you down, tighten up your workflow, and hit that like button if this review helped. Subscribe for more Real Talk tool reviews that keep your shop running smooth.